for breathtaking templates. 14 handcrafted color palettes. From cozy cafe warmth to elegant boutique luxury, every brand finds its perfect match. No designer, no code. Just one click and your store locator transforms instantly. Your map shouldn't look like everyone else's. Choose from beautiful, pre-built styles or drop in your own custom style code for a completely one-of-a-kind look. Dark mode, minimal, bold, whatever fits your brand. One tap on directions, and Google guides visitors straight to your door. And even the little pegman, yes, the street view walker, can match your theme too. Every single pixel, exactly on brand. Radius, hours, features, products, filter it all, instantly. Visitors narrow thousands of locations down to exactly what they need, in seconds. No page reloads. No waiting. Just the perfect store, every single time. Split. List. Grid. Map. Your visitors, their view. One click and your entire demo site is built. Stores, images, categories, settings, everything imported instantly, with a live progress bar right in front of you. No manual setup. No guesswork. Just pick a template and launch a fully loaded store locator in minutes. No code. No templates to fight against. Just drag, drop, and build. Dedicated widgets for search, map, and store list. Place them anywhere. Style them any way you like. Mix them into your own custom layout inside Elementor, exactly the way you already build everything else. Total creative freedom. Manage stock, store by store, from one simple grid. Know exactly which product is in which location and how many are left. Shoppers click Find in Store and instantly see what's in stock nearby. Filter the map by product, browse photos and prices right from the card. Online meets offline, seamless. Every store becomes its own SEO machine. Rich schema markup, city landing pages, internal links, all built automatically the moment you add a location. No writing. No agencies. No waiting months for rankings. Just real, indexable pages that show up on Google, with open hours, star ratings, and directions right in the search. See exactly what your locator earns you. Page views, click-to-calls, directions requests, website clicks, even contact messages, every action, tracked per store, in one clean dashboard. No cookies. No visitor tracking. Fully privacy-friendly, GDPR-safe by design. Just real numbers, proving real results, store by store, day by day. Real customers, real star ratings right on every store card. But you're always in charge. Every review waits for your approval before it ever goes live. Reject the noise, keep the trust. Real ratings, real control. Every store gets its own dedicated page, photos, hours, directions, contact, even social links, all beautifully laid out. Choose from 4 stunning layouts and give every single location the landing page it deserves. Every store, brought to life in pictures. Upload a full photo gallery, interiors, products, storefronts, and visitors get a real feel for the place before they even arrive. One click opens a stunning, swipeable lightbox, captions and all. Seeing is believing. Every store gets its own direct line. One click and visitors message that exact location, no phone tag, no exposed email addresses. You decide who can be contacted and customize every word of the button. Each message lands straight in your dashboard. It's not just a locator anymore. It's a lead machine, working store by store, around the Facebook, Instagram, any icon you want. Right on every store.